Welcome everyone back to another quick tutorial in Python. In this video I'll be going over intermediate functions, which require a bit more coding skill and technique. To begin, I'll show you how functions can return values. So if I write def sum and have the parameters x and y, I can now choose if I want to print in sum or just return it for later use. Now when I write return x plus y, the value will be outputted from the function, which then in a separate line I can store the sum into a variable. And when I print the variable, the sum will be printed. You can also add two instances of the same function together when they return values. For example, printing sum 2 and 3 plus sum 4 and 5 will give me 2 plus 3 added to 4 plus 5, which is 14. Another technique you can use with functions is returning multiple values. So if in my sum function I did 3 parameters instead of x, y, and z, and now I want to return the sum of each pair x, y, and then x, z, and y, z. I can create 3 variables inside my function representing each sum, and then return my 3 variables separated by commas. Now to store these values, I'll go to a separate line and create 3 variable names separated by commas, 1, 2, and 3, and then set it equal to sum 2, 3, and 4. Now when I print each variable separately, you can see the sum of each pair. When passing through values for parameters, you might want to have it so you can pass values in any order you wish while it says concrete in the function itself. To do this, I'll create a base function that takes in length, width, and depth. Now I'll return the product length times width as it is the base of the shape. And then in my separate line, I'll write print and then base, and now in these parentheses, if I named each parameter and set it equal to a value like this, length equals 2, depth equals 4, and width equals 3, in the function Python will read the names as keyword arguments and set the parameters appropriately. So printing this value will still output length times width, which is 2 times 3, even though I wrote my depth value second in the parameter list. These techniques are extremely helpful in a bit more advanced projects to know it well. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, keep learning even if it's a few minutes a day.